This class was called Down the River, and it is a dual combination school between Texas A&M, Corpus Christi, and TMU in College Station. My favorite part of this course has truly been the fieldwork. As someone who didn't get a lot of hands-on experience coming from large class sizes or just competitive opportunities, this class truly provides a really in-depth and personal experience with fieldwork.
This is a short 2-week course where students spend a week in the field sampling fishes along the length of the Guadalupe River, followed by a week here in the Biodiversity Research and Teaching collections at Texas A&M. So the students are basically collecting material that will be registered in our collection and be here for as long as the collection exists.
I tell all of the students when they're building their CV, don't just list the course under coursework, but list the techniques that we did under field experience, right? You've now used an electroshocker, you've now done seining. List that as field experience, because this is not a classroom exercise. You know, that week in the field is very similar to what would happen if you were engaged in actual research, right? And that kind of experience it's invaluable, right? It's not something that you can mimic in a classroom setting.
As students, we don't often see opportunities to really get out there. So when we have experiences like Down the River that are like physical courses that give us things we can apply outwardly, students love this, and I've just been so thankful to be a part of it.